However, there are also opportunities for workers to develop new skills and take on new roles in areas such as robotics maintenance and data analysis. One of the most exciting potential applications of robotics and AI in the tourism and hospitality industry is the use of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and buses can be used for transportation to and from airports, hotels, and tourist attractions, providing a more convenient and efficient experience for travelers. Similarly, drones can be used for tasks such as aerial photography and surveying, providing a unique perspective on tourist destinations. The use of robotics and AI in the tourism and hospitality industry also has the potential to improve accessibility for travelers with disabilities. For example, robots can be used to provide assistance for mobility-impaired travelers, helping them to navigate airports and hotels. Similarly, AI-powered systems can be used to provide real-time translations for travelers who do not speak the local language. Another potential application of robotics and AI in the tourism and hospitality industry is in the area of customer feedback and satisfaction. AI-powered systems can be used to analyze customer feedback from social media and other sources, identifying areas for improvement and providing insights into customer preferences and behaviors. This can help businesses to develop more effective marketing strategies and improve their overall customer experience. However, as with any new technology, there are also risks and challenges associated with the use of robotics and AI in the tourism and hospitality industry. One of the biggest risks is the potential for cyber attacks and data breaches, which could compromise the security and privacy of customer data. Additionally, there is a risk of over-reliance on these technologies, which could lead to a loss of human connection and personal touch in the industry. One of the most exciting potential applications of robotics and AI in the tourism and hospitality industry is the use of virtual and augmented reality. These technologies can be used to create immersive experiences for tourists, allowing them to explore destinations and attractions in a more interactive and engaging way. For example, virtual reality can be used to provide virtual tours of hotel rooms and resorts, while augmented reality can be used to provide information and interactive experiences at tourist attractions. The use of robotics and AI in the tourism and hospitality industry also has the potential to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. For example, robots can be used for tasks such as inventory management and maintenance, reducing the need for human staff to perform these tasks. Similarly, AI-powered systems can be used to optimize staffing levels and reduce labor costs. Another potential application of robotics and AI in the tourism and hospitality industry is in the area of dynamic pricing. AI-powered systems can be used to analyze data on customer behavior and demand, allowing businesses to adjust prices in real time to maximize revenue. This can help businesses to remain competitive in an increasingly crowded market and improve their overall profitability. However, there are also concerns about the potential impact of robotics and AI on the tourism and hospitality industry. One of the biggest concerns is the potential loss of jobs as a result of increased automation. Additionally, there are concerns about the ethical implications of using AI-powered systems to collect and analyze customer data. One of the most promising applications of robotics and AI in the tourism and hospitality industry is in the area of sustainability. As the world becomes more aware of the impact of tourism on the environment, businesses in the industry are turning to these technologies to reduce their carbon footprint and promote sustainable practices. For example, hotels and resorts are using robotics and AI to manage their energy consumption and reduce waste.